This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device model and Android version, so you use the correct recovery path. Sign in to the same Google account previously linked, and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is available. Charge the phone above 50% to avoid interruptions. Once done, locate physical buttons you'll use for recovery mode. Different models use volume plus power or volume down plus power. Make sure you know whether a factory reset is acceptable, because it erases local files. Next, boot into recovery mode using the correct button combination for your phone. Hold them until the boot menu appears. Use the volume keys to navigate to wipe data/factory reset and press the power button to confirm. This clears the lock screen credentials. Once the wipe completes, select Reboot System Now. Wait patiently during the first boot. Android will optimize apps and services, which can take several minutes. After reboot, proceed to Initial Setup to restore your account. Finally, during setup, sign in with the original Google account to satisfy factory reset protection. This proves ownership and restores device access. If you cannot remember that account, use Google Account Recovery from another device or contact support. They verify identity before helping. If you hit network or time-related errors, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and the date and time are accurate, then retry. Tip: if recovery mode or reset fails repeatedly,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.